What is probiotic pearls used for? Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore normal flora. Probiotics have been used to treat bowel problems, such as diarrhea, irritable bowel, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. Probiotic Pearls Max Potency Digestive and Immune Softgels * 5 billion cultures, 30 count. Product details. Probiotic Pearls Max Potency Digestive and Immune Softgels * 5 billion cultures, 30 count. Stress, travel, and diet can disrupt the balance of healthy bacteria in your digestive tract. Probiotic Pearls Max Potency can help keep things balanced so you can enjoy everything your day has to offer. These once daily soft gels contain 5 billion active cultures to support digestive, colon, and immune health, plus protect against occasional digestive discomfort, bloating, and constipation. Pearls have an advanced triple-layer softgel that protects probiotics inside from heat, air, moisture, and stomach acid to maximize survival and delivery to the intestine.